Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're wondering how to set up your Shopify store from start to finish, or you just want a complete beginner friendly walkthrough, this is the video for you. Also, if you haven't signed up for Shopify just yet, you can use my link down below to sign up for just $1 for your first 3 months. Let's jump in. So, Shopify is one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the world. It lets you build an online store, list products, or process payments and manage shippings, all in one place. So, you don't need to know how to code. It's designed for beginners and pros alike. Whether you're selling t-shirts, digital products, or dropshipping, with Shopify, you get a customizable website, a secure checkout system, access to themes and apps, and integration with Facebook, Insta, TikTok, Amazon, and more. Now, let's quickly walk through the main steps of setting up your Shopify store. So, let's start by creating your Shopify account. Simply navigate to any browser on your PC, go to the search bar and type in Shopify sign up. Hit enter and this will take you to Shopify sign up page link where you'll have to just click on this link and it will open up this page where you'll have to enter your email address to start a free trial. So I will type in my email address and click on start a free trial button. And it will take me to this page. So it will ask me, where would you like to sell? I will choose an online store. You also have the option to sell in person at events or retail store, at an existing website, in online marketplace or on social media. I will choose an online store. Now I will click on next and this will ask you which describes you best. So you can choose whether you're selling yet or not. I will choose I'm not selling yet and I'm new to Shopify. Now here you'll have to choose what do you plan to sell, whether you're going to sell digital products like digital arts, NFTs or music, whether you want to sell services like coaching, housekeeping or consulting, or some products that you buy or make yourself that will be shipped by you, or some dropshipping products that is sourced and shipped by a third party like Alibaba and other third party dropshippers. You also have the option to sell print on demand products. So I will simply choose products I buy or make myself and click on next. Now this will take me to this page where I will have to simply enter my password. So make sure you choose a strong password. After you enter your password, click on create Shopify account and this will take you to next page. Here you'll have to choose the best plan for you. So you have 3 plans: basic, grow and advanced. You can also continue with the free version and click on skip, I will decide later. But I will recommend you to choose the basic plan to start with. That will be free days and then $1 per month for 3 months. So you can click on try basic and it will take you to the payments page where you have to just complete the payment. Or if you don't want to do this right now, we can click on skip, I will decide later. Congratulations, you're now inside your new Shopify store. Let me give you a quick tour of the dashboard so you're not overwhelmed. So this is home. When you click here, you will see this page where Shopify gives you tips and updates based on your store's progress. Now you will see the orders button. This is where all your customer orders will appear. This is the products button where you will add and manage all your products. Now you'll have a customer button through which you can view, manage and track your customer base. Now you get the option for analytics through which Shopify provides sales reports, traffic data and conversion insights. You also get the marketing button through which you can set up email campaigns, social media ads and more. You also get the option for discounts through which you can easily create promo codes, coupons or automatic discounts. You also have the option for applications through which you can access the Shopify App Store to expand your store's capabilities, and you also get the option for online store, and this is where you customize your site's appearance, navigation, pages and themes. You will also see the settings tab at the bottom left where you will manage the shipping, payments, checkout, options and more. So this was an overview of the Shopify's dashboard. Let's now add your first product, and this is one of the most exciting parts. Simply click on the products button at the top left. Now you'll get the option to add product or import product. We are going to add a new product. So I will click on plus add product button and it will take me to this page where I will have to enter the title of my product. So I will enter the title of my product as trendy shoes. Now I can easily add a description for this product. But what I will do is click on this generate text button, enter the features and keywords of my product and I can choose the tone for this and click on generate. And Shopify's AI will instantly generate a description for this product. I will click on generate again if I'm not satisfied with it. If I'm satisfied, I will click on keep button. Now, as you can see, I've successfully generated this description. That looks pretty good. Now, you'll have to scroll down and navigate to the media button. So click on upload new button. This will instantly open up your PC's directory where you'll have to choose the pictures of your product. So I've already generated some pictures of my product. You can easily generate any kind of picture for your product using the AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, or you can also have some pictures of your product and showcase them and then add those pictures here. So I've added the media of my products. You can also add more by clicking on the plus button. We're not going to do that right now. Now, I will scroll down and navigate to the pricing section. So here I will have to set my price. You can also display a markdown. For example, you can enter a higher value than your price and that will often be shown with a strike through. So for example, if I enter 50,000 here, the customers will see that the price of this product was previously 50,000 and now it is at 10,000 discount. That is for 40,000. You can also choose the cost per item and this will instantly calculate your profit and will show up your margin. Now, you can choose to track inventory if you want. You can scroll down and choose whether you want to continue selling when out of a stock. Now you can scroll down and enter the weight of this product. And if this is not a physical product, just uncheck this box. You can also add variants like options, size, color. I'll click here and choose color. Now, I will get an option to add a variant. I will click on add another option. I will click on color and I can add a color, for example, black. I can add another color just by searching for it, or I can also add a new entry. I will choose blue. Now this is enough. I'll click on done. Now I can also click on add another option like shoe size, footwear material, activity, age group, or I can also click on create custom option and add any kind of variant option, generate it and add the option values. I'll click on delete for this. Now you will see the search engine listing just right here and this is how it is going to show on Google. Now after doing all these, you can click on status and make sure it is set at active, not draft. And the publishing is set at online store and point of sale. Now click on save button at the top. Now your product is live in your backend, but it is still not published. We'll publish it to the storefront after customizing your design. Now let's make your store look amazing. Go to online store button that just under sales channels and navigate to themes. So Shopify has a wide selection of free and paid themes. Click explore free themes to start. So you can click on visit theme store and this will take you to the theme store where you can easily buy any themes. These are the paid themes and if you choose free here, it will show up a list of free themes that is available for you without any cost. And here we are going to choose this one. I will click on try theme button. Now this will instantly apply this theme as my current default theme. Now you'll have to click on this customize button just after your current theme in order to edit it. So this is the theme editor. Here you can edit your homepage layout, fonts, colors, header and footer, banner images and featured collections. So you can edit every aspect of your online store. For example, these text, these pages, these pictures that are already on your Shopify's store. The left panel lets you add more content blocks. You can add featured products just by clicking add section button and searching for that specific element or block. You can add testimonials, add email sign up forms, add sliders, videos or Instagram feeds. On the top bar, you can toggle between desktop, mobile phone and tablet view. So you can choose mobile phone and see how your store is going to look like on a mobile phone. You can go back to desktop. Also, I have a tip for you. You should keep your design clean, use high resolution images and make your navigation simple. Let's now set up payments so you can get paid. After editing this, go back, navigate to settings icon at the bottom left, navigate to payments. After you navigate to payments, enable Shopify payments to accept credit or debit cards. You can also activate PayPal with one click if your account email matches. You can click on activate PayPal. Now click on activate button. This will take you to PayPal's page where you'll have to enter your email address for PayPal, enter the credentials, click on connect and that will instantly connect your store to your PayPal. You may also add options like Apple Pay, Google Pay or manual methods like bank transfers or cash on delivery. Just click on that option like manual payment method, choose bank deposit, cash on delivery or any method you want. Follow the prompts and make sure that your payout settings are correctly linked to your bank account. Now, shipping step is crucial. Simply navigate to settings that we are on this page and here you'll have to click on shipping and delivery. Shopify lets you set rates based on weight, order value or location. So you can create shipping zones for different countries or regions. You can choose whether to offer free shipping, flat rate or real-time calculated shipping. if it's available in your region. You can also print shipping labels directly from Shopify if you fulfill orders in-house. Now, Shopify handles taxes automatically for countries. You can simply navigate to settings, navigate to taxes and duties, and here you can navigate to policies to generate a standard template for refund policy, privacy policy, terms of service, and shipping policy. You can also use another applications that can do this by installing these recommended applications. So these are important for both legal reasons and customer trust. Now, by default, your store has a .myshopify.com link. You will see it just at the top. So, to look more professional, navigate to Settings on your Shopify store, navigate to Domains. So this is Domains, click here and you can click Buy a new domain. To get a new domain from Shopify, you can search for any kind of shop like shoes95.com and you'll have to click on Buy button. Now, this will take you to Buy New Domain page. You'll have to just enter your contact information on this page, add a payment method, click on Buy Domain, and you would have successfully acquired this domain. You can also go back to the domain page and just add an existing domain. Click on Connect Existing Domain, enter your domain name here, click on Next and follow the prompts. Once connected, Shopify will guide you through the verification process and your store will be live under a custom domain that will look better than myshopify.com's domain. So before going live, do a final check. Make sure that your product pages have images and clear descriptions, your theme is customizable and mobile friendly, your payment and shipping are set up, your policies are added in your footer menu, and to launch your store, simply navigate to Settings, navigate to Plans. Here, after your trial ends, click on Choose Plan and simply select any of these plans. I will recommend you to use Basic for starting. Now, enter your credit or debit card details, add a payment method, click on Subscribe. It will show up the order details here. After you do this, your site will be live and open for business. Now, once your store is live, your focus shifts to marketing. So use tools like Shopify email SEO discounts and integrate Facebook or Google Ads. Also, as you get sales, you will manage orders in your admin panel, print labels, track shipments, and notify customers. Shopify also shows detailed reports on traffic, sales, conversion rates, and top performing products. You can extend your store's functionality with 6,000 plus apps, including reviews, upsells, pop-ups, and drop shipping tools. So Shopify also has a mobile app so you can manage your business on the go. And that's your full Shopify walkthrough for 2025 from setup to launch. Whether you are starting a brand new business or switching from another platform, Shopify makes it simple to build a beautiful functional store. Remember, if you haven't signed up yet, just use my link in the description to get Shopify for just $1 per month for your first 3 months. It's a great deal to kickstart your online business. Thanks for watching. Drop your queries below and give this video a like if this helped.